So, good morning, everyone. I'm Suraj, and this is our company name, Integrated CAD CAM Solutions. Next slide, please. So, we are basically a design based company, and we provide other companies with engineering designs as per their requirements. We are specialized in design software such as CAD, Creo, and CATIA, and we are also specialized in Mastercam and NXCAM. So, these are the software which are used for design and programming in the CNC machine. CNC machines such as computer numerical control machines. These machines implement our design in making the components. We provide codings to implement the design in CNC machines. So coding consists of G codes and M codes. These are machine commands. So we provide both design and coding. So it makes in one go. So it makes it easy for our customers. So within one company, they can get both design as well as the coding in CNC machines. Apart from this, we also give our ideas in terms of design of our components. So we are also aware about the material and the manufacturing processes involved in producing components. So we are aware about the materials they use, such as whatever the materials they use in producing components. As we are mechanical engineers, we are so aware of that. So we can also give ideas. We are aware of the process involved. So we give our ideas to improve their products, such as, and this will be great use to our customers. So additionally, we provide three services. That is, we provide a design to our customers, we provide the coding to implement the design, and we also provide ideas to our customers for their products. So next slide, please. Next slide. Yeah. So this is our PV, this is our group members. I'm Suraj. I'm the CEO of this company, and Syed Mustaq Ali, he's the financial managers, and he's the main technical person, mastermind of this thing. He is specialized in the Mastercam and all the design softwares. And Syed Aminuddin, he's the HR manager, but he also helps in marketing and also assist Mustaq and me during the process. And so, thank you. So next, Syed Mustaq will be explaining the problems and the solutions and give a conclusion to our. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Syed Mustaq. We are going to see the problems you are facing in the field. First, some companies facing a lot of problems in finding efficient designers and programmers for CNC machines. And it is expensive to design complicated components and codings, etc. And some merits are we will be doing designs and codings for our clients for reasonable prices. And also we are specialized in CAD, Creo, CATIA, and CAM softwares like Mastercam and NXCAM. So we can both design the components, drawings, and program codes for manufacturing in CNC machines. Before conclusions, the last many days I am getting lot questions through chat whether CNC and CNC jobs future is safe or not, or whether we should adopt CNC as a profession. My answer is always yes. Why not it be yes? Now every workshop is using CNC machines. Even through small workshops and also buying CNC machines, because CNC definitely gives you more production with added benefits like accuracy. CNC feels as the job is not just limited to CNC programs. There are lot of jobs titles which are related to CNC machines like CNC programmers, CNC machine setters, CNC operators, and CNC machine maintenance. And once other field which was not that much used in part, but now is the ultimate part of the CNC programming is CAD and CAM. In the conclusion, we are in our initial stage in developing our company. We are expecting profit of 50% from initial amount. Thank you, everyone.